Hello! Back at it again. Today is Friday and I was trading and I recorded it and I took like 14 breaks during the process. I went short on ticker symbol PINS, that's Pinterest. I came up like $58 or $50, $58.50 to be exact. But it was a weird trade. It was like, it's not a volatile stock. I saw a good opportunity to short it and it kind of went the other way, but it didn't go high enough. I mean, you'll see, I kind of talked through it throughout the video. But I mean, overall, to come up $58, it was just one trade. Like I said, I left 2 times. I went to not only the gym, I had to go to physical therapy, and then I also had to do 3 times. Oh yeah, and then I had to go to work. So it's a short little video. Interesting how it played out. Let's just go ahead and hop right into this computer. This is my setup. It's kind of messy. Whatever, dude. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Sheesh. All right, bye.
All right, here's the first trade of the day. Ticker symbol PINS. It is a short sell. Had this big bear pull. MACD is showing some very bearish momentum. Stochastics is not showing me all too much, and the RSI is not yet oversold. So I still think that this has some room to drop. So if it pulls up here, I might scale in another 100 shares, but as of right now, just 100 shares. Because this is not that volatile of a stock. When you look at the y-axis over here, it's only about a 10-cent spread. I went ahead and scaled in a larger position. See if it actually loads. So now I'll have a total of 500 share position going short. So still looking for it to pull back. I'm at 22.48. I'm still basically at the same area here. Yeah. And then I'll be right back while that plays out. Ooh, it's a slow mover. It's all good. This will probably be my only trade for the day, actually. Not much happening here. It's kind of just trailing sideways. So, I mean, it had this bear flag here, but then it had this green momentum. So, I mean, it's overall bearish context, but if it breaks above this, it can easily come up to, if it breaks above this area, I'd say it could easily go up to right around this point. Now, if it breaks through this, then it'd be headed to the upside. So if it does get up to this point, or basically the VWAP, if it comes up to the VWAP, I'll probably just be getting out of my position. Technically, you know, it might be a good time to even scale in more, but my main position was down here. We'll see if it breaks through these three little data points at the end of these candles. 22.43-ish right there. Hard to say where the price is going to go, but could just be consolidating more sideways to see a farther drop to the downside, which I would still kind of imagine would be the case because of this huge bearish momentum. And if I scale out for the day, it's still all very bearish. I mean, it happened here too. Boom, it came up sideways. Boom. So that's something I can probably I'd like to be able to make some sort of a stop loss somehow. Maybe I can. I'll do a buy limit or something, and then let it kind of just play out. We'll see. Okay, so back to what I was previously saying. It looked like it broke above here, but it still really has to get above this main candle wick to get up to this point. So it could be potentially just a fake breakout. I'm not too concerned about the movement and being down right now. Honestly, part of me just wants to scale in more, but I'll just let it play out. All right, so I still think that the price is going to be going downward, so I'm just going to go ahead and pause the video because I'm going to be going to the gym. I would have a stop loss around this area. Okay, so I am back from the gym. It really hasn't done much. I mean, it's kind of sitting around this VWAP. It could get stopped at around this area right here, the 222.80, the 22.83. It's been kind of just slowly trending upward. MACD is pretty positive. RSI is not really giving me anything. The stochastics is a little bit oversold, so we might now, start feeling the downward pressure, but I don't know. There's not much going on here, to be quite honest. If I get stopped out, I'll be down maybe around 140 for this trade. Leaves me positive for the week still, which is nice by a good amount. Yeah, I guess we'll just see what happens. All right, so I just got back from physical therapy and getting ready to go to work now. It never got stopped out. It's basically right where I was going to have a stop loss. It was up here. It did this big old wolf candle, and then it's been dropping ever since. So I could have scaled in more shares. I didn't. So it is what it is. But it looks like I'm up about $20 right now. I'm just gonna go get ready for work. Like I said, it's not like the most aggressive moving stock. It's not that volatile. So it's okay for me to kind of like leave it here. If it was real money, I would definitely have a stop loss up, and the stop loss now would be probably right around this range. I'll just move the green line, probably right around this range, but I don't. So it's not real. So it is what it is. But 48. Sorry, I'm just thinking here. There we go. Put it back there. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and go get ready for work and let this play out a little bit longer. See if we can end the day in the green. This thing just wants to troll sideways forever. It's trying to get way up here. This is annoying. Oh boy. This is kind of why I like more volatile stocks. Simply just because I can be in and out a little bit quicker. I mean, I could easily take $6 profit, but I'm definitely gonna have to close my position soon because it's coming into the closing bell here, and I just don't like holding positions overnight. So I don't know, there's so much downwards momentum. We'll see what it does. Oh hey, look at it. Woo! All right, not too bad actually. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sell out of the position. I'm just gonna buy, just because it's coming to the end and I gotta go. I'm not gonna be able to watch this thing. 500 at market. Boom. All right, let's see here. If it ever fills, that'd be nice. All right, there we go. Filled, yay. Oh, and look at now it's filming this kind of cliff. So now we're gonna probably see it drop farther. Of course. Yeah. Whatever. So yeah, that was a long trading day. I wasn't around for most of it and finished at like $58 positive. So that's still cool that finished positive. It wasn't a horrible strategy shorting down here, but it would have been a lot more profitable if I was just more patient and waited for it to come up here. I mean, on another note though, I didn't get stopped out. I didn't sell out. So overall, it wasn't too bad of a trade. It was just a long trade. All right, guys. Yeah, that's it for the day. Up $50, not too shabby, baby. All right, bye.